guys, we're out here at Wrenchfest. This bad boy caught our eye. It's something we haven't seen before. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 48 Dodge milk truck from Holland Dairy out of Holland, Indiana. It's got 34 Chevy sedan front fenders on it, 48 Ford Anglia rear fenders on it. We cut 21 inches off the bottom, chopped the top, 9.5 inches on the front only. The grill shell we ended up making out of like a 40 Dodge front doors. It's got a small block Chevy motor in it, training.
What was the vision? Did you have the truck, or did you?
Yeah, I've had the truck for about three years.
Yeah.
And really didn't know what I was going to do with it. I had a vision in my head. And we got picked for a build-off out in Arkansas.
Yeah.
And this is what we chose to build for it.
Cool. Man, it's unique. We've seen a lot of them, but it's always cool to see one that's completely different.
Yeah, it's totally different. There ain't another one out there like this one.
Cool, man. We appreciate your time.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, man.